Hi guys! Bali, good morning na dito sa New Zealand at natapos na rin ang aking shift for today. So, I just want to tell a short story about my experiences na rin dito sa New Zealand. So, when we came here, nag-apply ako as an healthcare assistant and luckily guys, natanggap naman ko as a healthcare assistant. In short, caregiver na rin. So, ayan guys, the reason why na panggabi ako dito sa work ko. Kasi in the morning, my husband is working full-time a day and ako yung kailangang magbantay sa aking bunsong anak na which is hindi pa siya nag-aaral ngayon. And yung panganay ko is nag-aaral so no one look after my youngest child. So, hindi ako pwedeng mag-work ng morning and at the same time ng afternoon. So, kaya nabili ko yung night shift para at the same time, kailangan ko mag-work para makatulong sa husband ko to pay our rental dito sa New Zealand. Kasi guys, kung hindi ako mag-work at kung si husband lang ang mag-work, hindi rin kakayanin ng aming budget to pay our rental. So, ayan guys, nanay ako sa umaga and yun, narinig na niya na yung anak ko sumigaw. And working ako sa gabi. So, ayan guys, ang life namin dito sa New Zealand is time management and balance. Actually, si husband ang nag-aalaga sa mga anak ko sa gabi. And at the same time, ako naman sa araw. So, magandang balance yung oras namin. And at the same time, meron din naman kaming family bonding which is off namin ang Sunday. So that's the time na pwede kaming mag-bonding at lumabas together. And one thing that best here guys is sobrang lapit ng workplace ko sa bahay na tinitirhan namin. So I just walk nearby kasi you know, it's very convenient din sa akin na maglakad na lang kaysa kumuha ng sariling sasakyan, you know, ang gas mahal din. And big help din sa akin yung pagwo-walk every morning kasi syempre nakaka-exercise din ako and you know, good health din. So, ayan guys. Yun lang yung aking short story ng aming buhay dito sa New Zealand. And thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked our videos. Bye bye guys. God bless us all.